In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pop-up in Klaviyo for your Shopify store in 2025. Pop-ups can be an incredibly effective tool for engaging with your customers, capturing emails, or even offering special promotions. So whether you're looking to boost your newsletter subscribers or provide exclusive offers, this step-by-step guide will help you get your custom pop-up up and running smoothly in just a few minutes. Let's get started by logging into your Klaviyo account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the sidebar on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Audience. Hover over it and then click on Growth followed by Sign Up Forms. This section is where you'll manage all your audience sign-up forms, a crucial part of growing your customer base. Now that we're in the Sign Up Forms section, you'll want to click on Manage Sign-up Form. When the drop-down menu appears, choose Create Form. This will lead you to a new window where you have several options for your form. For this tutorial, we're creating a form from scratch, so go ahead and select Create Blank Form. Next, you need to give your form a name and choose Pop-up as your form type. Naming your form is important for organizational purposes, especially if you plan on creating multiple forms in the future. Once you've set a name and type, click on Save and Design. This will move us forward into the exciting part, customizing your pop-up. In the design editor, you have the freedom to tailor the pop-up to perfectly match your Shopify store's aesthetic and branding. Adjust the colors, fonts, text, and fields according to what suits your store and your customers' needs. Remember, a well-designed and thoughtfully worded pop-up can make all the difference in capturing your audience's attention. Now let's move to the behaviors section. Here you can set the conditions under which your pop-up will appear. It might be after a set number of seconds, on exit intent to recapture abandoning visitors, or any other trigger that fits your strategy. Taking the time to set these conditions properly is key to maximizing your pop-up's effectiveness. Once you're satisfied with your customization and behavior settings, it's time to click Publish, bringing your pop-up one step closer to life. The last part involves a quick touch on our Shopify backend. Head over to your Shopify admin and install the Klaviyo app if you haven't done this already. It's a seamless integration that ensures your pop-up functions flawlessly on your store. Verify that your Shopify store is connected to Klaviyo under the Integrations tab. Here, check the box to say it's enabled under Shopify. And there you have it. Your pop-up is now live and will automatically display on your Shopify site according to the settings you've configured. Not only is your pop-up eye-catching, but it's also an invaluable tool for engaging your website visitors. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and efficient in getting your customer engagement strategy to the next level. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips on maximizing your online store's potential.